Hey guys, it's a little bit of time later. I've gotten home, just relaxed a little bit, had dinner and things like that, but I had the day off today and I did a few errands and did a few things that I just needed to get ticked off my list. And then I also got a haircut, which I really needed. My hair was just really dry, very long, and it's just a lot more shaped and just healthy feeling now as well, and just a lot more life back into my hair. I also have a bit of an update. I am traveling to Europe. I kind of had the opportunity, everything lined up with work and flights and everything like that, and I am going for a few weeks just to kind of stay with my mum. And I know that in a few vlogs before I just mentioned how my mum's living overseas at the moment and she's in Croatia where my family is from, and just kind of she's working, she's looking after family, and also she's got 2 dogs that she's kind of adopted and it just fell into her hands. So I'm gonna go there just to be with her a little bit and kind of relax, also take it as a little bit of a break as well. I'm really excited to go, and yeah, it's just going to be a really nice time. I am traveling alone and I am going in a few days, so I am really excited. I've started packing. I don't really have a lot of time left. I'm still working pretty much until I leave. I thought I would show you my packing process. I know that I love to watch packing videos, so I've started doing all my check-in luggage and my carry-on and just some of my outfits and things like that. So yeah, I'll show you that now and we can do a little pack with me segment. I am planning on filming while I'm there, but I thought I would show you some of the items that I want to bring and some of the outfits that I'm just kind of planning in my head. I'm not really planning on doing much while I'm there. We're probably just gonna go on walks, have coffee, just really relax and enjoy, and then we might do a few road trips or something like that here and there. And yeah, my family lives more inland in Croatia, so it's not really as touristy anyway, but it is now the end of summer and it's a little bit cooler now, so it's not going to be as hot as it was before. I'm bringing this top that I thrifted. It's originally from Zara, but I just thought it was really pretty. It's kind of like a really nice cotton blouse top, and it's just very kind of neutral and it's really easy to style as well. It's kind of got this collar detail, and I thought this would be really good just for kind of, you know, everyday wear. I've got this really nice top as well, and I really like this for kind of nighttime and just pairing it with jeans, just kind of jeans and a cute top type of vibe. I've got a pair of blue jeans and then also this cream wide leg color jeans as well. These are new in my wardrobe and I'm really excited to wear these. I've worn these already, but I've kind of stopped just so I don't have to wash them before I go, so they're nice and clean. I've got this kind of grey long midi skirt. I actually bought this secondhand. It's from Deji Studios. This is a little Byron Bay brand, and I was really happy when I found this. It fits really nicely and it'll be good just to layer with kind of a shirt or just any kind of top, just for free and easy kind of outfit. I've got a black silky skirt as well, and this is just in a midi style. This would just be nice for quick and easy outfit. This can be dressed up and dressed down as well. I've got a pair of white linen wide leg pants. This will be just so nice for wearing at home as a cover up, or any warmer days that I kind of want to have something that's comfortable but still breathable as well. So this will be really nice. I've also got a black pair of linen pants as well. These are a little bit more, I guess, nicer. They're not as kind of loungy as the white pair, but these would just be nice for kind of everyday wear as well. I've got this midi dress just for a little bit of a nicer item just to wear if we go for dinner or something like that, if it's not too cold. But I just thought I would bring this. It's really light and just really easy to carry, so I thought I would bring that one. I've got a pair of leggings just to work out in, and then I've got this little linen set just for being at home and just lounging around. And then also this one as well. It's just really nice and airy. This will kind of act as my pajamas. I've then got this really nice top that I bought secondhand. It does have a lower neckline on this side, but I prefer the way that it looks on the back with the high neckline. And I took the tag off, so it's not really noticeable, and yeah, I just think this is a really nice top just for every day to layer with one of the pants and a jumper or something like that. I've got a plain black t-shirt, a black tank top. I've got a white, really nice, comfortable shirt as well. And then I've also got my Kukai top, the asymmetrical top. This is just a really, really nice top and really good just to have as a basic for every day, which I've got a lot of basics, but I think that I can just mix and match everything that I've got. I have this little kind of a jacket cardigan. This is really nice just to kind of have it as a layer piece. It kind of can be dressed up a little bit too, so I like to have this for colder nights, and that's kind of the main dressy jumper jacket that I'm bringing. I'm also planning to bring this blue top just there, but it's still hanging. I haven't actually taken it off yet, but I'll probably roll it up and put that away with all the clothes that I'm taking. And yeah, I think that's kind of the main things that I'm taking with me. I'll probably take my Sambas and my new red Spezials as well, and then I'm then also planning on bringing my sandals. These are really good for every day, just super easy to put on. And then I've also got these slides, and these are just good to kind of wear, quickly slide on, and these will come in handy I think as well. To pack the clothes, I'm gonna use these packing cubes and just to kind of have everything organized in my suitcase. So this is mainly all packed for my check-in luggage. I've got all my clothes in these storage cubes, which has been amazing, just kind of splitting everything up and just having that on that side. I've got this, which is just going to go on the outside of the luggage bag when I'm done. And on this side, under here, I've just got like the most random things to take with me. I don't really need a lot of things with me. It's just more so I've got a notebook in here, I've got some extra sandals in here. I'll probably have my Chanel ballet flats with me just because I don't really want to lose them if I lose this check-in luggage. I'll also add in my Sambas in here once I'm all ready, just because I'll be using them for the next few days. But I've just got a few random things in here. In here I've got some jewellery kind of that I want to use to just style up some of my outfits. For my carry-on, I'm planning on bringing this bag. It's really nice because it zips up, and I bought it a few years ago when I needed an emergency bag from America. So it's just one of the Victoria's Secret bags, and it's pretty good so far. It's not fully sorted out, but it's got a few of my cameras, headphones, and just things that I might need in the flight, just in general, that I don't want to put in my check-in luggage. I've also got my jewellery in here, and then just a few different snacks and things in there as well. I'm also going to bring this bag as my personal bag, and it just has more of those items like my book. It'll have my iPad, chargers and things like that I just want to keep underneath the seat. And then this bag here will just be in the overhead area. It's not really full, it's just kind of just enough that I can zip it up and then have everything kind of safe in there as well. And it's just things that I don't want to put in my check-in luggage as well.